Are you stressing about how to keep your plants hydrated while you're away? Fear not. You can create a simple DIY plant watering system using everyday household materials. First, let's explore the benefits. This system ensures your plants stay hydrated and healthy without constant attention. Imagine returning home to find your plants thriving thanks to this easy hack. Here's what you'll need: a plastic bottle, a nail or needle, string, and a small piece of cloth. Gather these items and you're ready to start. Begin by cleaning the plastic bottle and removing its label. Next, take the nail or needle and pierce several small holes in the bottle cap. For the wick, cut a small piece of cloth and thread it through the cap. This simple component regulates the water flow, ensuring your plants get just the right amount of moisture. Fill the bottle with water and securely attach the cap with the wick. Test the flow rate by inverting the bottle and checking the water drip. Now, place the bottle upside down into the soil near the plant's roots. Ensure it's stable and correctly positioned. If you have multiple plants, create additional systems and distribute them evenly. Remember to check the system regularly to ensure it's functioning properly. Finally, leave home with peace of mind, knowing your plants will be well watered. Watch your plants thrive and enjoy the simplicity and effectiveness of this DIY project.